HP 27 or 27-inch Full HD 1080p IPS LED monitor with frameless bezel and VGA and HDMI, T3M88AA, white. Thin and lightweight, HP's thinnest LCD display to date with a sleek, lightweight design for easy mounting and moving. Resolution and panel, 27-inch Full HD monitor, 1920x1080p at 60 Hz, with 16:9 aspect ratio and an anti-glare matte IPS LED-backlit panel, 7 milliseconds response time. Bezel-less frame, a frameless ultra-widescreen provides a seamless multi-monitor setup with 3-sided narrow bezels. Panoramic viewing, 178 degrees horizontal and vertical viewing angles with adjustable tilt, -5 degrees to 25 degrees, for more comfortable viewing. Connectivity, 1 VGA and 2 HDMI with HDCP support for laptop or multi-monitor setups. Dimensions, WXDXH 24.45x 1.4x 14.63 in, without stand. Color and quality, Technicolor color certified for color accuracy with HP Enhance Plus resolution for noise reduction to prevent picture overexposure. Custom OSD settings, easily make room for more windows and add screen partitions with HP My Display software. Compatibility, plug and play for all OS such as Windows and Mac OS for laptop connectivity. Note, USB-C Thunderbolt 3 to HDMI adapters required for 2016 MacBook Pros or later. Responsibly made, save your wallet with an Energy Star certified monitor that meets strict energy efficiency guidelines and helps reduce your carbon footprint. Warranty, 1-year limited warranty with 24-hour, 7 days a week web support when shipped from and sold by Amazon. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.